Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy sugar cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened butter and sugar, and beat them on high speed for 3 minutes. Then turn the speeds down to low and add in the egg and vanilla extract. Then turn the speed up to high again and beat it for a minute. And turn the speeds down to low again. And slowly add in the dry ingredients and mix it until it's just combined. Then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Scoop the dough out onto an ungreased baking sheet. And if you like, you can press them down so they spread more and have a flat top. And bake them in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes or until the edges just start to turn a light golden brown color. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 2 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make easy sugar cookies. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.